Hi, my name is Johanna. I'm running this channel and I promise to do some off-grid and downsizing videos, and right now I'm actually on the last phase of downsizing, but I will do more videos about everything else too, how I started. And the last thing is the wardrobe. Here you see one part of it. And that is a project that will take about 3-4 years. I already sold a lot, but there's so much more getting out. So yeah, let's make a tour of my self-created hell. So as I mentioned before, this is one part. I have started to pick out some pieces, but usually I start from here and I go all the way and pick out things that I can sell. And I'm not allowed to have like 5 white shirts anymore. I can have 1 and the rest I have to sell. So that's my philosophy. But I have to clean this out, and also everything here. I can't see what is behind. So everything here is also going to be cleaned out, and also here. Too much crap going on. I haven't started on this part, but here I have a couple of boxes I already cleaned out, and I will go through them next summer again because it's summer clothes. So I just want to keep maybe 2 or 3 boxes, but the rest is going out. So it's not so easy to make decision for every piece all the time. So you have to just go step by step. This is the part that I cleaned out, so I can actually see things. And everything here, I have only used this one and this one. So I have a bunch of new clothes I never ever seen before that I can start to use. And here is a wonderful jacket and sailor style, and here we have short jacket. And this part was filled with the earrings and headbands and everything, but now I cleaned out and I can actually put my hand in here. Before I couldn't. And down here I have just a couple of boots I decided to keep, and here this was filled with trousers, but now I cleaned out so much. Who needs 10 pairs of black trousers? Here I have things that they're like in queue to get washed and ironed. So I have everything. I just put like a mountain here with things, and I take it step by step because my goal is to put 5 ads a week online. But sometimes I put like 10 ads, and sometimes I can't put any ad for 2 weeks because I'm so tired of ads. The boxes with ads online. Here we have boxes that I still have to go through and clean, and it will take a couple of months, but that's okay. Step by step, don't stress because then it's not fun anymore. So step by step I will go through these boxes too. And here you see a really nice difference because I have all the tops I kinda need. So I have these things, they took 4 drawers before, and now I have everything in 1 drawer. But I will go through this one more time. And here we have my jeans. The space, this is cool. But this, here you see the difference. This is a drawer I haven't cleaned out yet, so I have to go through these drawers too. So they are a mess. I just don't sell everything that I want to clean out. I also give away a lot to families in need. We have a fantastic service here in Catania. 2 times a month they come and pick up things you don't need anymore outside the door, and you can leave everything: clothes, bed linen, kitchenware, towels, everything you don't need. And because also giving away gives a good balance in life. It's actually not all about money. Well, I can confirm that it's not a lie when they say less is more, because I come from fashion business, so fashion and the latest things has always been priority. I will of course keep nice things, and I will not go to live in a tent and have the same pair of jeans all my life, but I don't need so much of everything. I want other things in life, laughter in the house and perfume from the kitchen, and have put money on experiences. And it's also, when you have a lot of stuff, it takes a lot of time and it costs a lot of money. So when you downsize, maybe you don't have to work so much, not overtime anymore, and you have time for life. So that's the reason why I started downsizing. I have other values in my life today.